same because your unit managers, they also have a 100 sales commitment for NCR. So what you can see here in the board is only sales commitment for South Luzon. Okay, this is doable because we're only talking about 50 sales a month. So if it's you have more than 50 agents, one sale per agent per month, this is very doable. But then we will go over that later. I think our resource speaker will explain and hopefully encourage us and instill in us how we can achieve our goals, especially with our sales commitment for the group. All right, let's go back to the new guidelines on Pag-ibig Fund and in-house financing. Para alam niyo ha, baka mamaya magdala kayo ng client at CTS Gold ang inyong binibenta. No, okay. So, meron tayong bagong in-house financing. Okay, so effective January 15. This is something I've been saying since December pa. So, nasabi ko na, mawawala na po ang CTS Gold. We're going to push for sige, next slide. We're going to push for Pag-ibig. Although, we do know, may mga clients dyan na talagang kahit anong gagawin, hindi sila papasa sa Pag-ibig Fund. That's why we still have a window for in-house financing. Okay, so to go over the in-house financing right now, 20% down payment. Okay, so pareho pa rin, 10,000 reservation fee, and then the remaining balance ng 20% down payment ng TCP shall be divided in 6 consecutive months without interest. Okay. 80%, yun nga. Ito na yung ating bagong interest rates. Okay? 16% per annum kung 5 years lang siya, 18% per annum kung loan term is more than 5 years but not exceeding 10 years. So remember this. Our in-house financing, now, dapat 20% down payment. Okay? And then, yung balance, ang interest rate, 16% kung up to 5 years, or 18% if more than 5 years, but not exceeding 10 years. Alright? Pero panalo pa rin sa Pag-ibig Fund dahil ang interest rate is only 8.5%. Next slide. Okay. But in our in-house financing, insurance premium shall be incorporated in our monthly amortization. So ganun pa rin siya. All taxes and other fees for the transfer of the CCT under the name of the buyer shall be at his own expense, except doc stamps and capital gains, which will be paid by 8990. Same arrangement as CTS Gold. The only thing that's different right now, number 1, if we all remember, 20% ngayon ang down payment. Number 2, and then yung 20% payable in 6 months. No? Number 2, your interest rates now 16% and 18%, depending on the loan term. So you will find your guidelines. Ito talaga, hindi ko alam kung I'm supposed to share this with you guys, but sinerox ko na lang, insert ko dun sa para hindi magkamali. So ito na yun talaga yung ating new guidelines. Alright, next. But, CTS Pag-ibig, pareho pa rin yung ginagawa natin. Buyers who wish to avail Pag-ibig's housing loan shall be processed immediately. However, pending the takeout from Pag-ibig, buyers shall pay the interim monthly amortization with 11% per annum over a period of not more than 12 months. Alright, if you remember our disclosure statements, you guys know what the disclosure statement is? Sige, parang mamaya hindi nyo alam kung ano yung disclosure statement. Remember, meron tayong rebate. Yes. It's 11%, but lumalabas 9.5%. Correct? Yes? Okay, we're on the same page. Good. Right now, wala na pong rebate. So, magiging 11% talaga. Wala na po siyang discount. So, in the new disclosure statement that will be issued to your buyers, it's the same, pero wala na yung column rebate. Anyway, 11% naman talaga siya from the get-go eh. It's just that we just added that feature na may rebate if buyer pays on or before the due date, right? Okay, so ngayon, pareho pa rin, except wala na pong rebate. And then, for the interim period, hindi po siya lalampas ng 12 months. But we're not saying sasagarin natin 12 months. If I can deliver your folders immediately because they are complete, I will do so. If we can take out in a month or two, why not? So you can get your commissions right away. Next slide, please. Okay, Pag-ibig, CTS Pag-ibig shall be effective only until Pag-ibig housing loan has been taken out, which shall be within 12 months from the date of payment of reservation fee. Okay, that's easy to understand. Otherwise, if the buyer's loan has not been taken out to Pag-ibig within 12 months, we shall have the option to cancel the contract or transfer him to CTS in-house financing at 16% or 18% per annum interest rate. Okay, this can be a case-to-case basis. Sabihin nyo, kasalanan nyo po, hindi nyo na-transfer kasi may mga problema internally. So that's a case-to-case basis. So this, I don't think this will apply. Okay, but however, kung hindi talaga siya ma-migrate sa Pag-ibig Fund because of some documentary requirement or ano pang hinihingi, it's either we cancel or we go to in-house. Okay? Next, is that it? Meron pa. Okay. Those who avail the Dekang Pabahay program can transfer their outstanding principal balance to Pag-ibig's housing loan program. Okay, so pwede. They may be allowed to do so, but we will only transfer the title dun sa registered buyer. This is to implement the provision of the right of first refusal of the Dekang Pabahay program contract to sell. Alright, I think that's the last slide. Is it? Great. Okay, so before we start selling, pag-aralan niyo po ito dahil wala na po tayong CTS Gold. Alright, we have in-house, we have CTS Pag-ibig, but we will use these guidelines. So I hope you guys have, take time to read it, but we will still make it easier for us to sell because the down payment is still the same. Okay? Dun sa ating Pag-ibig, I think 15%, 15,000? 15,000 ba? Ayun, ganun pa rin. Walang nagbago. Okay, so, may I call on Reno Verano to introduce our next speaker, our resource speaker, since he's a very good friend. Can you please escort my UM? Yeah, please introduce our next speaker.
Okay, good morning. Our speaker, he speaks in Clark, he speaks in Cebu, he speaks in Davao, he speaks in Jensan, and yesterday he was in Samal Island. Iniinggit ako. So, this is the last sales rally, I think, for the whole 8990 that he will be the speaker. So, he started speaking with us last quarter. This quarter, inubos niya na lahat ng branch ng 8990. So, I think I don't need to introduce this guy further because you already know him. Some of you already hear the way he delivered his skills for us to enlighten our individual talent to sell more. This guy has been in the industry for how many years, if not decades. So mamaya ikikwento niya yun. He's been instrumental in my growth in real estate. I attended this seminar way back 2012. Hindi pa ako masyadong malakas bumenta. So, without further ado, I'd like to introduce Sir Joey Reyes.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Medyo pasensya na kayo, naubos na yung boses ko sa... Nahurot na June. Ay, Bisaya, di ba? Wow, ganda. Pakarata yung mga Bisaya.